This is confusing. Hi guys. I didn't like that word. Lame. Hi guys. Perhaps you might notice from the sound of my voice, but I'm actually quite sick. And so I decided to use my neti pot. What's a neti pot? You actually use that? I heard it burns. Right now I'm here to dispel the myths about neti pots and to show you how to use a neti pot. So let's get started. You will need pre-boiled water that has had the time to cool off. Not hot, cool. You'll also need a measuring cup. Last but not least, you need a neti pot. The brand of neti pot that I'm going with looks like this. It says Neti Med Nasal Flow Neti Pot. #1 selling gravity flow method. Okay? Motherfucker. Oh my god. We're bounced. And we're back. So that's what it looks like. What's inside the box? You will have your own neti pot. You will also have these little packets. Oh, let us read the warnings. Warning: rinsing your nasal passage with only water will result in a severe burning sensation. Use lukewarm distilled filtered or previously boiled water properly mixed with the Neti Med sinus rinse packets. Do not rinse if nasal passages are completely blocked or if you have an ear infection. Keep out of reach of children and store in a cool, dry place. They have like other accessories and things like that. It's very innovative of them, but we only need the neti pot today. So, as you can hear, I'm a little nasally. I'm feeling a burning sensation here, a little bit here, but mostly here. I have phlegm. It kind of tends to slide down the back of my throat. And so I really don't want it to slide down the back of my throat and infect my lungs, because that's already happened to me and I ended up with pneumonia. And that ain't fun. So I'm going to use the neti pot solution today. So the instruction says that you need 240 milliliters of neti pot solution. That's 8 ounces. You do that on the counter and make sure the meniscus is at the bottom of the 240. If you don't want to know what a meniscus is, Google it. I don't have time for your shit. Next, neti pot neti solution. Pour. Rip your sachet. You have to make sure the neti pot is clean before you actually start using it, so we're just going to rinse it out and pour more water. Now, you pour your solution. It's just salt. Alright, next, you mix it. So I'm using the fancy spoon because you gotta use fancy things. You gotta use fancy things if you want to entertain the masses. So you mix until it's completely dissolved. Cover your neti pot, which has a hole on top. There you have it. So now, moment of truth, we're gonna use it. So I'm gonna readjust so you guys get the perfect view. Hi guys. So basically, you're gonna get a lot of this, but try to stay focused. So this is the part of the apparatus that enters your nose. You put the apparatus in one of your nostrils, and you tilt to the side. Jesus Christ! Okay, let's put it down. Let's use this. Now back and back. You turn your head to the side, not back. To the side, not back. To the side. Why not back? If you want to tilt your head back and throw water in the back, we've all had that. We've all been to the pool. Now, moment of truth, I'm gonna take my glasses off for this. So what you're supposed to see is, ow, that's what happens when I take off my glasses. So what you're supposed to see is the water's supposed to slowly start trickling out my nostril. Make sure your nose is snug. On there. So suffice it to say, you don't really share neti pots. So I'll just stop talking and I'll go. Oh, that feels so good. Let's do the other nostril. That was better. usually you want to finish one packet in a sitting. So I'm going to tilt my head forward just because I think my head is too far back, and that's why I'm getting the coughing. There you have it. That's how you use an Neti pot. It'll make you feel better. I just need to not be sick anymore. This is annoying. I'm not even that sick, really. It's just my sinuses. Next, what I like to do is put on my glasses and blow my nose. I don't know why I just burped. I didn't even swallow any. It basically just loosens up everything in there. Cool. So I think I'm breathing better, and we'll see how it goes throughout the rest of the day. But thank you for watching so much. I hope you learned something today. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would love it. And leave your comments down below. I like to see the comments. It makes me all excited when I get a notification that someone is writing to me, even if it's bad stuff. And please press that bell beside the subscribe button, and that will alert you anytime I have a YouTube video up. They should be coming up every Tuesday at 12. I'm really going to make that effort to be consistent for you guys, so that you guys can be consistent with me. Thanks a lot. These are the instructions, but you don't need that because I'm going to explain it to you.